Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's video is very special. It carries a lot of significance for the Xiaomi users, especially in Pakistan. Xiaomi have manufactured their first smartphone in Pakistan and they were kind enough to send me this special box. As you can see, the box mentions that this Redmi 9C is made in Pakistan and the green color highlights the theme of Pakistan. We do get a welcome note inside the box as well, once again telling us about the phone being made in Pakistan. It's a very nice and lovely box with some badges and a flag of Pakistan. Pakistan is a country of 220 million people, and out of these 220 million people, nearly 42 million people are the smartphone users. It's a big and thriving smartphone industry for the smartphone manufacturers to tap into. Xiaomi has a big chunk of this 42 million audience, and hence the company has a big responsibility over its shoulders to support the localization of tech within Pakistan. With the made in Pakistan Redmi 9C, they have just done the right thing. For years, smartphone companies have been exporting their devices from China, Vietnam and South Korea to Pakistan. But since the country is now viable for manufacturing plants and has also made progress in the EOB index, more and more companies are looking forward to locally manufacturing their devices. To start it off inside Pakistan, Xiaomi launched their all-time famous Redmi 9C first. I know it's a very old device, but it has certainly become relevant once again as it is the first special device made in Pakistan and made for Pakistanis. There is nothing new in the device itself. I'll just mention its specs on the screen to give you guys a flashback. This is more of a symbolic release. I think Xiaomi have chosen this one as their first locally assembled device for a number of reasons. At first, the Redmi 9C is an affordable low-end phone. The phone was very popular among millennials and it carried a nice combination of hardware and features. And the phone is still being sold to date in a number of countries. The phone comes in this aurora green color. This is a new special color again for Pakistan only. I really like the fact that Xiaomi did not just release the device in the same old colors. They actually tried giving it a new touch and I think they have succeeded in doing so. Back in the day, I covered this device in the orange color and you guys really appreciated and liked that video. That is one reason for me to cover this device once again today. The device uses MIUI 12, it's got the basic features to fulfill your everyday needs and it's got a basic camera that you can use to capture pictures good enough to share with your friends and family on the go. It's not a very high-end camera, but it's definitely capable of doing the job that most cameras are meant for these days. The Redmi 9C is still as beautiful as it was back in the day. This device has a really good looking and cool design. The camera module looks really good and this shade in the aurora green color, it just adds charm to the beauty of this phone. I would like to congratulate Xiaomi once again for the milestone that they have achieved and I definitely look forward to seeing more amazing and cool devices being manufactured in Pakistan. That is all from my today's video. You can buy this phone using the link given in the description. I hope you guys found this video useful. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. With that being said, I will sign off and see you all in the next one.